Good morning, everybody. Sasha here, and we are looking at the Air Canada and other airlines stocks today. Quick disclaimer that this is just how I see the markets. This is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any securities. Let's get started. It is January 25th. It's Monday. We are looking a week ahead. What do we see right now on the airlines front? Well, more and more restrictions that are being applied here in Canada are definitely affecting Air Canada stock at the moment, and we can see that definitely on the charts today. So right now we are at the 2090. This is the box we've been stuck right now in. Okay. This is where the sideways movement is happening. We are in this box here. If we look at the past right now, we are still sitting here at 50% around that area. Okay. In the past, we had this peak here and a stalling. We had another stalling here. Okay. And then we had this one here and this one here and this box right there. Okay. So 61.8% bounce is possible. Bulls could be located here. I'm not saying there will be, but there are possibility that we will get the price at 1975 possible bounce. So this could work out this way if further restrictions are not implemented on there. What I'm looking as far as the price, if this price closes below this box here, okay, if it closes below this box, it's possibility the next level that might be holding that I mentioned right there, and you saw the bigger picture, it's 618 that corresponds with the area of support. We can also see the market was stalling in this area here pretty recently. So if we get some signal here from the bulls to buy back into market, we could take a market from there at the better price. What I'm trying to say again, the price has to close below this box, okay, and confirm the move up to here. All right, we are still at the moment in this boxing here, and we are still going sideways. Is this tradable for people that are planning to trade, or if you're a trader or daily trader? I'm going to show you another example how to trade as well in these kind of circumstances. If you look at this trend line here that I posted right here, that was the triangle that we were looking at. You can see the triangle right there, right? So that's a triangle. We had a breakout to the downside. Asymmetrical triangles or ascending triangles, they usually break out in the direction of the trend. However, this time with all the news, we broke to the downside. Now we are on a 5-minute chart, and you can see that same trend line that I posted. You can see the same trend line that I put right there. Okay, they can be also interpreted as a support or resistance, same as these horizontal lines that I put here. Okay, this is a support. This is also a way of support. I don't usually look at these kind of things, but I want to show you how it's possible to trade those. So we had a market that was falling down. Okay, it came to the trend line. This is support. Okay, we had this last little candle here, which is right there. We had a little area of consolidation right there, if you can see here. And then we have this beautiful engulfing candle to break out to the downside. That covers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. It covers 6 candles just with a wick, if you can see. With this kind of breakout, we take the trade right away here. Your stop goes above there or above the trend line, and you can take the market to the next level of support. And that's how trading is done. Basically, you can either take it from the horizontal lines or you can take it from the trend lines. Basically, this is how the Air Canada looks to me. If we break, this is my next level of support to look for the trade to go into this market, and this is going to give us a better price unless we get a signal here, okay, inside the box and start going up, or we just start fiddling again inside this box, going from the bottom to the top. Okay, so the market could continue on doing what it's doing right now, basically going sideways. All right, this is a sideways move, and we can trade it from the bottom, taking it all the way to the top of the box. We never trade or never buy or sell anything from the middle of the box because the market can go either way. So that's Air Canada. Let's look at the American Airlines. There's not much difference over there. We had a resistance here. We can see this red candle right here that was not able to break above. Bulls pushed it and then bears closed the price below. So this is definitely an area of resistance. Once the market broke out, now we have area of support. And we can see the bulls are coming into play at this area, of course, again. And then we have now, we are waiting for the signal here if you want to buy into this market. We are waiting for the signal to develop at this area here. So we know that bulls are located right there. So that's how you look at the markets. So this is American Airlines. It's sitting at 1525 right now. Delta Airlines, we can see area of resistance. We can see that the market was not able to break through this area here. You can see one attempt, 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts, and then we finally have the breakout out of here. So this is definitely area of resistance, now turning support. Market came down once, retested it, second time retested it. Now we are sitting on the third time on here. We are waiting for the signal to develop here at this area. If this area is strong enough to hold it and take it to almost well, to this stop here. Okay, so about $44. We're talking about US dollars here, not Canadian. This is how I see the Delta Airlines. We can see that the market is slowly in the upside, so that we are going with the trend. We have the support level. This is a support level. All we are waiting for now is the signal to develop, and then we can buy into this market. Lufthansa has the same story. We had a rejection of the support, another rejection here, then we broke down, rejection of the resistance, resistance. We have area of resistance once again. We broke out, retested, we moved on, retested, moved on, and we come down. You have this beautiful pin bar right here that takes the market to the next level right there. We came down now. We had symmetrical triangle. We had a symmetrical triangle develop here. We had a breakout, because I said symmetrical ones, they can break out either to the top or the bottom. You never know until it shows its hand. And right now we are heading towards this area here where we can expect some kind of a signal to develop to take the market again to probably 1150 euros. Right now we're sitting at 9.285 euros. We can see that at the moment the market is in the upside. Okay, we are going with the trend. We have our support area. All we are waiting for is a signal to buy into this market. That's how every market works out. We're going to take a look at the Bitcoin. Everybody talks about Bitcoin, and I know it's a huge investment, so I'm not saying for anybody to buy into this market, but I'm just going to show you how it looks like here on a weekly chart. So weekly chart, we can see this huge momentum that's been happening from all the way from $12,000 to $42,000. We have no reference on the weekly chart for the Bitcoin. We have no reference here to fall on. But if we switch to daily, we have a rejection of the level here, which is a 30,000 rejection. We can see the rejection of the support. So this is on a daily chart. So we had the market came up, broke this 30,000, came down, retested it. It was strong enough, moved back to 40,000, fell down, again retested it here, went down. So this is like a $10,000 moves within few days, 1, 2, 3 days, and $10,000 move. This is a 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart, we saw that breakout, pull back, retest, move, market comes down, retest, moves up, comes down, retest. Look at the signal. It works on every single market. Beautiful pin bar. You take the trade here. So after this retest here, we had a final fiddle here, and then market comes down here, retest this $30,000 area again. You have an entry here, and then takes you all the way to 35,000. This is a huge investment, and I'm not saying for anybody to enter if you don't have that kind of money, but I'm just trying to show you that how the rejection of the levels works. We know the market is in uptrend. On the daily chart we saw that, on a weekly chart we saw that. It's a huge steep market. These levels come and get retested many times. These levels are very well respected, and as you can see, so many times we stalled at those levels, right? We are stalling again now at this, but the entry, look at this beautiful signal. This is the kind of signal we are waiting for. This is the pin bar. This is the signal I keep talking about. So we have a trend, we have a support, we have a signal. Three things, and we take the market to the next level. And next level was this, okay? This was the first next level. And why? Look at the rejection. Look at where the candle bodies are finishing right here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? And then we have exactly to the point here and exactly to the point. And once the market breaks down, we get this signal developed. Market takes off. Where is your first target? Well, this area of resistance right now. And look where the market stops. Right there, almost to the point. Right there. I can't say it more clear than that. And then we come down, and then we stop again. Look at this. This one stops right there and rejects the level. Now finally we break out. So now what we are waiting for is for the signal to develop here again to re-enter the market. And where do we take it? Well, this is the next area we are looking at. Okay, so 38,000. That's the next level. That's it. That's it for me for today. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate everybody watching it and subscribing to it. Please do smash that like button so everybody else can find my videos. I really appreciate you watching my channel and subscribing to it. Thank you very much. I will talk to you soon. This is Sasha. Peace out.